Hi, in this session we'll be covering creating videos. By default, the web wizard uses third-party video hosting for your website to keep the website loading quickly across devices and leverage pre-existing tools such as dynamic resolution scaling. In this example, we'll be using YouTube, but other services will be very similar. First, click Content, and then find the video item type in the list, and then press Add New. Give this video a name, choose your host from the drop-down, and add a caption. For YouTube links, we'll want to obtain a video ID. These links come in two formats. In the shortened version, it's just the bit after the /. In the longer version of the link, it's the bit after the v equals. Either way, grab your ID, pop it into the field and press save. From here, we just need to locate it to the item we want it to appear on by selecting the item type from the drop-down, and from here we can either search for the item or select it from the list. And then press Add Location.